go again. So we're gonna see input output in Python, input and print. These three or four functions. So as you can see here, print function. The easiest way to produce output is to use the print function, where you can pass zero or more comma separated expression. This function converts expression that you pass into a character string before writing on the screen. We can also export data to file, but we will discuss this later. So we have this example. As you can see, this example contains variable declaration, tab declaration, table, and print, and we use commands. So let's try some of it. So here we go. We have a equal 2 and b equal 5. Okay, we have tab equal 2, 3, 5. And the best thing that we don't need this character to finish our code each time. So we can here try print function, print print hello world. So as you can see here, you can see it. So this page, it's not like the page I'm using right now. It's another page. We have page here, first try. We're gonna open it. We're gonna try in this page those functions. So as you can see here, tape and print hello world. So we're gonna save and we're gonna type F5 to run our code, and as you can see here, and here we have print hello world, print hello world, comma a comma b, and save F5. We're gonna have this result. We can try to see how the table gonna see the table and this function if you want to. Let's try it here. I have 4 ELM in tab, this here, print ELM comma and equal and this, and let's try it. We have invalid text syntax. You know why? We forget this 2 points here, and let's try it. Here we go. So here they show us the first examples that we have already done here, and he show us the table that we want to see by this for function. So this is the example. You can try it on your own computers and your own compilers. So we can here format string like the old printf style used in the C programming printf programs and C programming language. We use this character, this operator, to accomplish this. So as you can see here, it's like the complete subtract function. Let's try this. B equal 34.5345, I don't know what. So here print B equal 0.2 if shadows percent B. So let's try it. Control S, and if 5, we have the same result as you can see it here. So let's pass to the next example. So input function is how we're gonna input a message or input a variable in a function. So until now our programs have been static. The value of variables was defined or had hard-coded in the source code. To allow flexibility, we may want to take user information in Python. We have the input function to allow this. The syntax for input is as follow, as you can see the example here. We're gonna make some example of input is function. So this is our result, and this is our trying space. So we're gonna type a equal input input your ID please. So we will save it. If 5, this is input our ID, we're gonna say 5, and this we will try a equal 5. As you can see here, he put the 5 that we entered here to the a variable, so we can check the a variable. It's equal 5. It equals 5. Let's back to our course, where we can see here. You can see that the value entered is a string, not a number. To convert this to a number, we can use the int or float function. So let's try to convert the string to a float or to an int with int and float functions. So we have here a. Let's change the variable. B. Oh, we already have id, please, or put any number. So we're gonna make it an int. We have to check our code. So Control S, F5, we have here. Let's try with same file. We have entered the number, check the a value at 5. So the difference here, he read a variable as a string, so that's why he put it between these characters, and now he read it as an int, so he is dealing with it like an int. So here I have two examples to show you. You can try it. It's simple functions. You can try it alone, and it's really cool to try this on your own in your house. It's really cool, real simple, and we will complete the in the next tutorial. Thank you for watching.